Cast.
Well, still a lot of cloudiness across the region today, but as we move deeper into the afternoon, we start to see a little bit more in the way of some sunshine. The clearing is certainly underway now. There's a shot captured by Helen Gregory at Chris Green Lake from this afternoon as the clouds were beginning to break up for some patches of blue. And that's what we see currently at the airport in Earlysville, checking in at 76. Only made it up to a high of 78 this afternoon. And again, we did have some light showers across parts of the region today. 74, the current reading at Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. Some other numbers at this hour. We got 74 in Madison, same in Louisa, 73 in Palmyra, 71 there in Waynesboro, and 74 currently in Stanton. Satellite radar combination over the last several hours. You can see the clouds, and they were pretty extensive, especially east of the mountains, but a few light showers. Most of that activity now right along the spine of the Alleghenies out to the west, but overall clearing skies here tonight. And again, not a whole lot now that we're seeing on the radar, but we did see a few showers here earlier today. Temperatures here overnight with gradually clearing skies, generally either side of 60 because of the recent rain, the damp ground, clearing skies. That will promote some fog, and some of that may be locally dense into early Friday morning. Friday's really the pick of the week, if you will. We'll have sunshine, low humidity, and a dry day with upper 70s and low 80s for afternoon highs. Now let's talk about the weekend, because our next storm system will be working in this direction. And so Saturday, largely dry during the day, but the clouds will be on the increase, upper 70s to around 80. Now we could see rain in here maybe later Saturday night, but a better opportunity for at least periods of rain on Sunday. And with the clouds and the rain around, that'll hold temperatures pretty much in the upper 60s and low 70s. And right now, looking at rainfall estimates, this is just taking us really from Sunday into early Monday. There's the American GFS model. That's anywhere from a half an inch to an inch and a half of rain. European model's much the same, does show some enhancement of maybe some higher amounts, especially east of the mountains. We'll follow that over the next several days. A good soaking would be nice. Unfortunately, it may impact at least Sunday and the start of next week. But there's a look over the last several hours. You can see that gradual clearing trend taking place from north to south. Essentially, an area of low pressure offshore is beginning to move farther away, and the impacts of high pressure to the north will be felt, allowing the atmosphere to dry out and allowing, again, a little break in the humidity. Now, as we go into the weekend, the combination of this front, which is currently crossing northern plain states, will be working across the upper Midwest and the Ohio Valley, and the moisture pooling down here across the southeast will kind of join forces, and that'll be our next player for maybe some significant rain. Well, let's talk about the tropics, and it's all about Earl. Earl continues to get larger in size and will continue to strengthen a bit more. There's the island of Bermuda, about 140 miles south of there. Already tropical storm force conditions being felt on the island, where there are tropical storm force warnings, hurricane watch. The big swells from this hurricane will be felt with the big waves and, of course, the rip currents down up and down the eastern seaboard. But the current track does have it strengthening to the first major hurricane of the Atlantic hurricane season, and that will be as it passes to the south and east of Bermuda. Category 3 is anticipated as it continues to move up into the Atlantic, farther up into the North Atlantic, and then again to weaken with time. So in the morning we'll start with some fog, but again a good amount of sunshine, upper 50s, low 60s early. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon, upper 70s and lower 80s. And then Saturday, as mentioned, largely dry during the day, but those clouds increasing 75 to around 80. The rain really gets in here Saturday night into Sunday. Gradual clearing tonight, areas of fog either side of 60. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. A couple of dry days. We'll watch that next storm system in here as we especially get into Sunday and early next week. But all those temperatures, Casey and Steve, at or just below average here for this part of September.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.